ब्रेकफास्ट में अलग अलग रिक्वेस्ट होते हैं. फ्रेंच टोस्ट विद द बीवी, चीज टोस्ट विद द बेटा, alag salag chicken cheese toast. During this lockdown, a lot of women have expressed that they would like to have a chef as a husband. So I was asking my wife, so aren't you lucky? She said, no, I would be lucky if I have a magician who would do abracadabra, the dishes gets washed, the clothes gets washed, the floor get mopped. Always women want more and more. Don't do like this, don't do like this all the time. Toast ko piche gumao, toast ko piche gumao, toast ko piche gumao, toast ko we're going to make nice French toast. But in a chef's home, a French toast also will be special because we're going to stuff in some apple. And my son wants cheese toast. You pull the toast and the cheese comes out. For me, always leftover. There's leftover chicken. On that you put some cheese. My God, that toast will be excellent. Always start with a good glass of fresh juice. I don't know why it's called French toast. Even when I was a little kid, my mom used to make this. Add some milk, eggs, in this add sugar, and sugar depends on how sweet you want. Pinch of salt, pinch, no one should know. Because we're going to stuff apple, I'm just going to add some cinnamon powder. This is cinnamon and sugar I blended together. Pour it in a container where your bread can fit in easily. Take pieces of apple, take another slice and put it on top. When you're doing this, you got to be pretty quick. So just slide in the slices of bread and take a spoon and pour some of this egg mixture on top of the top slice. Okay? Immediately they will suck in all the juices. Very carefully, because you do not want this to sit in this for a long time. Here is a pan. You can add oil or butter and on a slow flame. So a lot of people, they are new. They try to experiment with it. No, carefully. Always use something. You can lift the bread slices and slide it in. Cook it on one side. Cook it on a slow flame. Take the help of a fork. Slide it inside. Now, very carefully, turn it other side. And you have this fantastic, the bread, the caramel color and all that. You got to see this. Let it slowly cook for another 2 minutes. The slow cooking will make this just awesome. You look at this, beautiful, perfectly done apple French toast with awesome flavors. Wow. This kind of French toast is my all-time favorite. Make it for your kids just the way I've shown and you will see how they will just love it. Breakfast में अलग अलग request होते हैं. French toast with the बीवी, cheese toast with the beta, alag salag chicken cheese toast. With the cinnamon.
Crunchy apple.
Wow. The pieces of apple and even the French toast edges have a little bit of bite. There is no food that is tastier than the food that has childhood memories. What do you say, baby? Wow. This is a regular breakfast at our home, and there's another breakfast which we enjoyed so much in Portugal that we very often eat scrambled eggs and all that, but the mushrooms with little bit of olive oil. Oh, we're going to do that one day, but today enjoy this French toast. Wow. अब बेटे के साथ चीज टोस्ट. ये टोस्ट विथ चीज, थोड़ा सबसे पहले मक्खन डालना पड़ता है. Apply little bit of butter, preferably on both sides. So what we do? हम लोग मक्खन एक तरफ लगाते हैं, उसी टाइम टोस्ट को पीछे घुमाओ, इस तरफ भी लगा दो. Take cheese like mozzarella that spreads. That will give so much of taste on this toast. The cheese and chili toast is a very famous thing in 5-star hotel. So add some chili on top. One is going to be plain, one is cheese chili toast. I'm going to have one with the pizza sauce. Don't put it in the center. Maybe one little dent here. Fourth is I have leftover fried chicken. I'm going to add a little bit of mayonnaise, green chili also, and just mix this one. Chicken, mayonnaise and chili. This one I'm going to put it on top. This is a lot of it. Take some more slices and put it on top. Okay. And here is my hot tawa. So just having fun, turn it upside down, with the chopping board. And this chopping board will also press it little bit. So I'm just fooling around, having fun in the kitchen. So put it like this, remove it off and let them grill. You know, the butter is there, everything is there, the toast has to come nice and golden. After which, slowly the cheese in between will start melting and turn it to the other side. Look at that, nice, because we added butter. Now do the same thing with each one of them. Secret ingredient that will make your cheese toast excellent. Some of the pizza herbs. So once you toast it, just sprinkle some. This is going to be awesome breakfast. Already the aroma is super. Oh, and when it is hot, the cheese inside will be melting, and I'm telling you, I can't hold it. This one, the pizza cheese. The pizza side, I'm telling you, it is just awesome. The melting cheese. And here is my chicken. Which one do you want? So this is my chicken. You can take other one. The cheese and chili. See, our son is very shy. He thinks I behave like a 15-year-old teenager. Because of you, you keep telling, don't do like this, don't do like this all the time. And he seriously thinks you should not be funny and happy. When you eat this awesome food, don't feel embarrassed. All you have to say is, ding chicka, ding chicka, ding chicka, ding chicka. What a toast, what a toast. Wow, it's too good. The cheese melting in your mouth, and I'm telling you, there is nothing better than this awesome cheese toast with chicken, with chili, plain cheese, and with a little bit of that pizza herbs. This is going to be awesome.